This is Tiny, our newest little baby. He is a conure. That's his mama. DC's his daddy. That's Stuart. That's Nigel. And she is feeding her baby. And we should have another hatch today. We do have 2 eggs that are no good, which happens. She is currently sitting on all of them. There are 6 eggs remaining. One's not good. Yep. But she's feeding the little baby. Do you see it? Right over here in the corner. Right there. Oh, mama. And she is sitting on her baby. She was just feeding. And I got daddy on my shoulder. Oh. But she's got a full crop. And mama doesn't really like when I bother her too much. But see the baby right there? So I have to clean up in here because, you know, birds make messies. But the little baby's right there. There are 2 bad eggs remaining out of the 6 that are here. But she's doing good. She just fed her baby. I'm going to leave them alone and let her have her peace and quiet.